Hi everyone, in this video we are going to know about right circular cylinder. After this video you will be able to recognize a cylinder, you will be able to find formula for lateral surface area, and you will be able to solve numerical problem based on the lateral surface area. How you can build a cylinder? Using a coin and papers. Place the coin one over the other and roll the paper as shown here. We get what is called a cylinder. Here in this slide you can see some examples of cylindrical shape. A right circular cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two congruent circular bases at the end which are parallel to each other. The line segment joining the center of two circular bases and is perpendicular to the base of the right circular cylinder is called axis of the cylinder. The curved surface between the two circular bases is called the lateral surface. The radius of the circular base is referred to as the radius of cylinder. The length of the axis of cylinder or perpendicular distance between two circular bases is referred to as height of the cylinder. Since the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to its base, it is called as right circular cylinder. Let us try to find formula for lateral surface area of the cylinder. Take a rectangular sheet of paper whose length is just enough to go round the cylinder and whose breadth is equal to height of cylinder. The area of the sheet gives us the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is equals to L into H. Note that the length of the sheet, that is L, is equals to the circumference of the circular base, which is equals to 2 pi r. So curved surface area of the cylinder is equals to area of rectangular sheet, which is equals to L into H. Replacing L by 2 pi r, we got 2 pi r into H. Therefore curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. Let us try to solve a numerical problem. It says the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of cylinder. We have given a cylinder 14 cm high having a lateral surface area of 88 cm square. We have to calculate its diameter, which is numerically equal to twice the radius of the cylinder. Now we know the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh, which is given here as 88 cm square. Rearranging 2 pi rh as pi into h into 2r. Why 2r? Because 2r is equals to diameter of the cylinder. Placing the value of pi and h as 22 by 7 and 14 respectively, replacing the 2r by d. Rearranging for d, we get the required expression. On solving the required expression, we got d equals to 2 cm. Hence, the diameter of the base of the cylinder is 2 cm. Let us summarize the topic. A cylinder is a three-dimensional body. It has two circular ends and a rectangular lateral surface. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh, where pi is a constant whose value is 22 by 7 and r and h are the radius and height respectively. Coins, rod, well and ring are some examples of cylindrical objects. This is the end of the video. Thank you.